Alright, so in this problem, I have 5 to the power of m minus 3 to the power of m is equal to 544. So I'm first going to let a equal 5, and I'm going to let b equal 3. So now I have a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equal to 544. Now this means that b squared is the same thing as, remember, b equals 3, so it's 3 squared, which is equal to 9, right? So this means, and this also means that a squared, which is the same thing as 5 squared, is equal to 25. So this means that a squared minus b squared is equal to 25 minus 9, which is 16. And this also means that a squared plus b squared, which is 25 plus 9, is 34. So by knowing this, we can say that a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equal to, we know that this is equal to 16 times 34 because 544, that's equal to 16 times 34. And a squared minus b squared is 16, a squared plus b squared is 34. So I'm going to rewrite this as a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equal to a squared minus b squared times a squared plus b squared. So now from here, if I factor out a squared and a squared and, or sorry, if I factor out a squared plus b squared, I get a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equal to a squared times a squared plus b squared minus b squared times a squared plus b squared. And this is the same thing as a to the power of 4 plus a squared b squared minus b to the power of 4 minus b squared. So now I can replace a and b back in, or sorry, before that actually, this is going to be the same thing as a to the power of 2 times 2 minus b to the power of 2 times 2, which is equal to a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4, meaning m is equal to 4. So this is my solution. Alright, so in this problem, I have 4 to the power of x is equal to 12. So to solve this, I'm going to first take the log on both sides. So I have log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 12. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is going to equal b times log a. So in this case, I have log 4 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So now I have x times log 4 is equal to log 12. Now, if I divide both sides by log 4, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 12 over log 4. Now, I can rewrite log 12 as log of 4 times 3. So I have log of 4 times 3 over log of 4. And if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log 4 times 3, that's going to equal log 4 plus log 3. And I have this over log 4. So now this is the same thing as log 4 over log 4 plus log 3 over log 4. Now log 4 and log 4, these two cancel out. So now I get x is equal to 1 plus log 3 over log 4. And log 4, that's the same thing as 2 squared. So I get 1 plus log 3 over log of 2 squared. And remember, I can move this 2 to the front. So now I have log 3 over 2 log 2. And this is the same thing as 1 plus 0.7925, which is equal to 1.7925. Alright, so in this problem, I have 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of x plus 2. So to start, if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So 5 to the power of x plus 2, I can rewrite this as 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2. Now if I divide both sides by 5 to the power of x, these two cancel out, and I get 2 to the power of x over 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 squared. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So 2 to the power of x over 5 to the power of x is going to be 2 over 5 to the power of x, which is equal to 5 squared. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I get log 2 over 5 to the power of x is equal to log 5 squared. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this gives b times log a. So for log 2 over 5 to the power of x, I can move x to the front. And now I'm going to have x times log 2 over 5 is equal to log of 5 squared. Now I'm going to divide both sides by log 2 over 5. These two cancel out. So now I get x is equal to log of 5 squared over log of 2 over 5. Now I can move this exponent 2 to the front. So now I get x is equal to 2 times log 5 over log of 2 over 5. And if I have something in the form log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. So this is equal to 2 times log 5 over log 2 minus log 5.